Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your purchase history in the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and view your purchase history on the Walmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Then on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on account. Now, on this page here, the first option on the top-hand side is going to be your purchase history. So if you click on view all next to purchase history, this is going to show all your purchases that you've made on the Walmart app. And so with it, let's take, for example, this purchase that's coming on December 20th. If we click onto this right here, this will actually allow us to track this shipment so that you can actually see where it is when it comes to ordering this product. And so with it, that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and view your purchase history in the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.